I'll just start with the presentation I've got for you.
Reading the Bible, Jeff.
I made this from Papa's machete. And I got it engraved and stuff. Some pictures, and you know me, I'm old school, I like old stuff. And I happen to have Papa's machete in my car. I had two, and I'm really sorry that I lost them all. And also I left it nice and old so that, it looks authentic. The bends in it, Papa's must have made those. I don't know, cutting coconuts, maybe can of corned beef or something. But also the tape on there is old strapping tape. The handle was coming off, so I presume he stole some of Elena's strapping tape when she used to paint tape. Done that, so I left everything authentic. There's just a few pictures here. You can, they're interchangeable. If you want to change the photos to some of these better ones that I see over here that I have come across here. And this is a whakatoki. It's a Māori proverb here. Tā whaia e koe te iti kahurangi ki te tuohu koe mehe maunga teitei. Translated means seek that which is close to your heart, and you should bow, let it be to a lofty mountain. What that means is it's a proverb to encourage people to reach to great heights without letting little life's little obstacles get in the way of your bigger goals and stuff. Also, this here is from my dad, your other grandfather. This is it's actually a pew that he used to wear, which I've never seen a Māori guy wear a pew before, but it was pretty good. And so yeah, that's for you, son. Would you like me to carry it? Yeah. So I'm just here to thank everybody here who's helped Denzel along his journey in life up to now. He's an awesome kid, and I can tell by the support that he's all love him as much as we do. As a kid, he was a bit of a hard case. Hey, big smile, very caring, loving, looked after his little brothers. And he was and he's still like that now. He was innocent back then, but he's not as innocent now. All those other things, he's still the same,
say a few words about, it's actually going to call him Little Jeffrey, but Denzel, my son. What should I say, son? Denzel is really good boy from 5 to 14. Denzel listens to mom, my parents. From the age of young, he doesn't answer back. But from 15 to 19, 20, oh. He gave me a really hard time sometimes, but you know, I'm strong enough to take on his attitude, side eye, all that, stuff like that. Got a lot of trouble from that age, from 14. Her mom has to go in and mom has to go in and apologize for some people because he does some naughty things. From the age of that, I think he took on the alcohol. I thought Denzel, from the age of 5, he played a lot of sports, soccer from school. I thought he was going to go somewhere. Then he cut down soccer, went to high school, he played rugby. I thought, yeah, I'm going to get me somebody to play rugby, make some money. Then he introduced the alcohol, the rugby went down the line. So he gave up rugby. He still plays rugby, but not as, what? No, he's still good, but not as, stuff like that. Not as serious as what I thought he was going to get there. Denzel, I would like to thank everybody that here. Everybody in here must mean something to you, and you must, vice versa, must mean something for them to turn up today. I see your friends outside. There's a lot of them outside, especially family. We're all about family. My sisters, I see my uncle and auntie here. It's pretty sad because if I see them, I see my parents, but my parents are not here. So it's a little bit of sadness, but anyhow. My parents has a lot to do with Denzel's life. So looking after 3 kids under the age of 5, it was pretty hard. My parents provide support for me and the boys so they'll have a better life and stuff like that. So me standing here, they should be the one giving you the key, not me giving you the key. So as they pass on, hopefully Denzel's got a job now, yay. But they passed on and he hasn't even bought them, you know, food from his pay because throughout his all young age, they were the one providing. So Denzel, hopefully you go and buy them some flowers on the anniversary, birthday, or whatever if you feel rich. They love fresh flowers. My sisters, wow, what can I say? The support that you give me to raise these 3 boys is amazing, and I wouldn't do it without you. You know, I may be strong, tough, but with your father's support throughout, helped me through with the boys. Now actually, Molly's here, and her daughter. Having 3 boys, Molly's coming into our life. It's hopefully good luck. It's out of my hands, but yeah. Welcome Molly to the family and stuff like that. Cheers, family. Thank you very much having tuning up, even though our circumstances. But we have provided. We produced this guy, and we still stand solid for the kids. You know, even though our differences, but we stay strong for the boys and girls. Thank you very much. My extended family, what can I say?
Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you very much and stuff like that. And all the family and friends for coming to travel from overseas to win Sully and everybody that travels to come here for his birthday. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much.